In a world obsessed with appearances, the desire for an aesthetic physique has become increasingly prevalent. But achieving such a physique is not merely about vanity, it's about unlocking your full potential, both physically and mentally. It's about pushing your limits, sculpting a body that exudes confidence and vitality. Many people embark on this journey with unrealistic expectations, hoping for rapid transformations. However, true progress requires patience, dedication, and a deep understanding of the fundamentals. The benefits of achieving an aesthetic physique extend far beyond the physical realm. Confidence becomes your armor, empowering you to conquer challenges in all aspects of life. In this video, I'm going to share 7 steps that will transform your body forever. Ready? Let's delve in. Step 1. Follow basic exercises for 3-6 months. Embarking on your fitness journey can be both exciting and daunting, especially for beginners. The key to long-term success is to start with a solid foundation. This initial phase, spanning the first 3 to 6 months, is crucial for building a strong base and preparing your body for more challenging workouts. During this period, focus on mastering basic exercises with proper form. Avoid the temptation to jump into heavy weights or complex routines too soon. Start with lighter weights than you think you can handle. As you progress, gradually increase the weight or resistance, but never at the expense of proper form. Aim for 2 to 3 workouts per week, allowing your body ample time to recover and rebuild muscle tissue. Step 2. Make 2 workout routines. When designing a balanced workout routine, splitting muscle groups over 2 distinct sessions ensures you're giving each group the attention it deserves without overtraining. A good approach is to divide the upper body pushing muscles and the pulling muscles into 2 separate routines. Routine A focuses on your chest, shoulders, and triceps, all of which work together in pushing movements. Exercises like the bench press, shoulder press, and tricep dips are essential here. The chest takes the lead with pressing movements, supported by the shoulders and triceps, ensuring each muscle group is adequately worked. It's important to structure the workout so that the larger muscle groups, like the chest, are trained first, followed by shoulders, and then triceps. This allows for maximum effort on the bigger lifts, ensuring progressive overload, which is key to muscle growth. Routine B shifts focus to your back, biceps, and legs, which are primarily responsible for pulling movements and lower body strength. In this session, exercises like deadlifts, rows, and squats take center stage. The back muscles, including the lats and traps, work together with the biceps for pulling motions, while squats and deadlifts target the legs and lower back, building total body strength. Just like Routine A, you want to prioritize the larger muscle groups like the legs with heavy compound lifts before moving on to the smaller muscles, like biceps. Structuring your workouts this way ensures you're hitting every major muscle group effectively, while also allowing enough recovery time between sessions to avoid burnout and injuries. By alternating these 2 routines, you'll establish a balanced program that maximizes both strength and muscle growth. Step 3. Start training lower body. This routine is designed to build strong legs, glutes, and a solid core. This routine should also be performed twice a week, with at least 1 rest day between sessions, and alternating with Routine A. Warm-up. 5 minutes of light cardio, such as jogging or jumping jacks, to increase blood flow and prepare your muscles for the workout. Dynamic stretching, such as leg swings, hip circles, and torso twists, to improve mobility and range of motion. Workout squats, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Romanian deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Leg press, 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Calf raises, 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Hanging leg raises, 3 sets to failure. Cool down, 5 to 10 minutes of static stretching, holding each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds to improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Step 4. Focus on compound movements. Unlike isolation exercises that target a single muscle group, compound movements engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This makes them incredibly efficient for building overall strength, muscle mass, and burning calories. Among the compound movements, 3 reign supreme: the bench press, the squat, and the shoulder press. These exercises form the cornerstone of any effective strength training program. Mastering these compound movements is essential for maximizing your results. Focus on achieving full range of motion, ensuring proper form throughout the exercise. By prioritizing compound movements in your workouts, you'll stimulate more muscle growth, increase your metabolism, and develop a well-rounded athletic physique. Step 5. Focus on progressive overload. After doing compound movements, it's time to go harder. Your muscles will have become accustomed to the weight you're lifting, and your progress will stagnate. This is where the principle of progressive overload comes into play. Progressive overload simply means gradually increasing the demands placed on your muscles over time. This could involve increasing the weight you're lifting, the number of sets and repetitions you're performing, or decreasing your rest periods between sets. Start by increasing the weight you're lifting by small increments, such as 2.5 to 5 pounds. Focus on maintaining proper form and listen to your body. If you're struggling to complete your sets with good form, reduce the weight and focus on perfecting your technique. By consistently applying this principle, you'll ensure continuous progress and achieve remarkable results in the long run. Step 6. Make right nutrition choices. While your workouts provide the stimulus for muscle growth, nutrition plays an equally crucial role in achieving an aesthetic physique. Think of your body as a machine. Just as a car requires the right fuel to perform optimally, your body needs the right nutrients to build muscle, recover efficiently, and fuel your workouts. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue. Aim to consume 1 to 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight daily. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, beef, and fish are excellent sources of protein, providing essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Whole eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. In addition to protein, prioritize complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fruits and vegetables. Complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy for your workouts, while healthy fats support hormone production and overall health. Step 7. Invest in right supplements. While a well-rounded diet should be your primary source of nutrients, supplements can play a beneficial role in your fitness journey. Creatine and protein powder are two supplements that have been extensively studied and proven effective for enhancing athletic performance and muscle growth. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in small amounts in certain foods, primarily red meat. It plays a crucial role in energy production during high-intensity exercise. Supplementing with creatine can increase your muscles' creatine stores, leading to increased strength, power, and muscle growth. Protein powder is a convenient way to increase your daily protein intake, especially if you struggle to meet your protein needs through whole foods alone. When choosing supplements, opt for reputable brands that prioritize quality and transparency. Remember, supplements are meant to supplement a healthy diet and consistent training regimen, not replace them. As you embark on your journey towards an aesthetic physique, it's crucial to understand that true transformations take time. There will be challenges along the way, days when you feel unmotivated or tempted to give up. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you've equipped yourself with the knowledge and tools to achieve remarkable results. Remember, consistency is key. Stay committed to your training and nutrition plan, even when progress seems slow. Embrace the challenges along the way, for they will only make you stronger and more resilient. Now go out there and unleash the best version of yourself.